the other tool that I was going to show you for finding products is called Opportunity Finder. This one looks very similar to the product database that we explored a few moments ago, because you can see the categories here. I'm going to choose that patio category again, but you can see that on the right-hand side, the filters are a little bit different. In this case, we can still say the minimum number of monthly units sold. I'll put 400 again, but now it lets me put in stuff like the monthly search volume on Amazon. The way this tool works is that the product database that we looked at gives me results for specific products, for individual ASINs on Amazon. So I think of that as going from the specific and then using that to springboard into a broader search. The Opportunity Finder is a little bit the opposite, because what this will show me is an entire niche, which is represented by a search term. And so that search term can comprise dozens of different individual products that all are kind of related to each other. And so I think of Opportunity Finder as going from the broad and then narrowing it down to the more specific. There's no right way to start your product research. Some people like working in one direction over the other, but they both kind of serve different purposes because of that. So for the search volume, I'm just going to put in a minimum search volume of 3,000 searches per month. And then for the price, I'll put in maybe like $30 for this one. Here we can see whether the niche is seasonal or not. I'll just leave this at medium, and then whether the niche is particularly competitive, I'll put this at medium as well. And so when I click search here, the table, as you can see, looks fairly similar to the one we saw in product database, except over here now we can see these phrases. So Halloween blowups is an entire search term that includes multiple individual products. Life-size skeleton. Right now it's October in North America, so Halloween is coming, and that's why we're seeing a lot of these products. But if I expand this will show me a historic chart that will show me that within this niche, so whenever somebody searched for, Halloween blowups, that there were 261 units sold way back in 2020 in November. Looks like in October of last year, there was way more sold, 939. And then you can see these big spikes here in the autumn, and then it really disappears throughout the summer and the spring, and then it comes back up again. So this is a very seasonal product, which the seasonality tab will show this big spike here. I could see the historic selling price for this niche to see whether it's been going up or holding steady. Surprisingly, this one actually went down a little bit. I usually like to see that the price is holding or that it's increasing over time. And then the search volume as well. How many times are people searching for Halloween blowups? We can see these big spikes again that represent that seasonality. So if I wanted to look for products in this niche, the top products one gives me a little window into the product database. Like we're kind of looking down into the product database. And now we can see the top selling individual products on Amazon today for when people are searching for this particular term. I like using Opportunity Finder when I have no idea what product I'm really looking for, just to see whether there's like a whole group of products looks like it could be a great opportunity. And then like I go into that niche and I start searching on Amazon and seeing what kinds of individual products exist. And sometimes I find that the products are already very saturated, but then I realize, oh, maybe people who bought this product might also want this product and nobody's selling that one yet. So the niche is a good opportunity, and I just need to find a unique product that can fill that niche. Do you have anything, Vova, that you recommend for when people are starting their product research?
I think when using kind of the Opportunity Finder, I'd say that I like it better because, again, it's not showing one specific product, it's showing a keyword. And again, under that keyword, there are different products. So a keyword might appear such as, let's say I'm selling grill brushes. Actually, this is one of my products I'm actually selling. Now, if you search for term grill brush on Amazon, you're going to see different solutions for grill brushes. There's going to be like grill brushes that are bristle free. There are going to be grill brushes that have like wooden handle and many different solutions. So in this way, you can kind of see the whole market of grill brush as a keyword. That's what people are searching for. And then you see which specific product is doing better, maybe, because let's say in my case, I'll tell that grill brush, it's a big term. There are different grill brushes, but there's a sub niche, which I'm selling it. It's called bristle free grill brush. So that's a bit in depth, like it's a bit more niche. It's a specific solution for people who are a bit more afraid of bristles, or just they don't want bristles on their brush. And it goes even more narrow. So with the Opportunity Finder, you discover a keyword, and then you can just dive deep into that. But based on the criteria that we have put into Jungle Scout, actually, we'll see different keywords. So, and then we find a keyword, we dive deep, and then we might find different products.
Exactly. So we can see that there's demand for grill brushes in general. So it's like a good opportunity, but then maybe people are looking for the specifically bristle-free ones or maybe wooden ones.
Mm-hmm.
And so at first glance, maybe it's like, oh, there's too many people selling grill brushes, I couldn't compete. But within those sub niches, it's like, oh, there's demand for this product, but not many people selling this specific kind of grill brush.
Yes.